Hi everyone, I am very happy to welcome you all to our official online learning platform MK Code Club. At MK Code Club, we help people to learn about computer science and software engineering, and we are very happy to say that we have just launched our platform this January 2026. Anyway, let's do sign in into the platform and know more about MK Code Club. And to find our platform, just type MK Code Club in Google. Now we came into our application. Here we see the dashboard, which is all about our progress, and then under the courses section we could able to see the courses that are available. Right now there is only one course available. By clicking this, we could enroll into the course and watch the course for free, and after the completion of the course there is an option to get the course completion certificate, which looks like this. Then we could able to download the certificate as well. Also, to verify the certificate, just copy the link and share to others to verify the certificate. Here near the dashboard, there is one option for leaderboard. It shows the ranking of the user who got course completion certificate. Finally, thank you everyone, and this is all about MK Code Club's version 1, and there are more to come. Join MK Code Club today.